Vertical lines showing up on your LG TV screen can be frustrating and hard to ignore. Whether it's a single flickering line or multiple bands running down the display, this issue can often be fixed. In this video, I will show you multiple solutions to help resolve the problem quickly and easily. The first thing you should try is a simple power cycle. Start by turning off your LG TV and unplugging it from the wall socket. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for 30 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for at least 1 full minute. Once the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Check the screen to see if the vertical lines are gone. If not, unplug all the HDMI cables from your TV and take a close look at them. Check if any of them are damaged or worn out. If you have another HDMI cable that you know is working well, try using that one instead. After that, plug the cable into a different HDMI port on your TV. Most TVs have more than one. Make sure the cable is firmly and securely connected. With the TV turned off, gently press around the HDMI port area. This can help in case something inside the port has shifted or come loose. Once everything is in place, turn the TV back on and see if the vertical lines are still there. Now, try running a screen self-diagnosis or picture test. Grab your remote and press the settings button. Go to All Settings, then find Support, and look for the option that says Screen Self-Diagnosis or Picture Test. Once the test starts, look at the screen carefully. If the vertical lines appear during the test, the issue is likely with the TV itself. But if the lines are gone during the test, then the problem may be coming from one of the connected devices or cables. If you have an LG OLED TV, you can also try Pixel Cleaning. On your remote, press the Settings button and go to All Settings. Then go to General, find OLED Care, then OLED Panel Care, and select Pixel Cleaning. Choose the Start Now option and let the process begin. It may take up to an hour, and your TV will turn off while it runs. Just make sure you don't interrupt it once it starts. Let it finish completely before turning your TV back on. Another thing you should check is if your TV needs a software update. Press the Settings button on your remote, go to All Settings, then Support, and choose Software Update. Select Check for Updates and follow whatever instructions come up on the screen. If there's an update available, let it install fully. This can often fix small glitches or bugs that cause display issues. If nothing has worked so far, you can try a factory reset. Press the Settings button on your remote, go to All Settings, then General, and choose System. From there, select Reset to Initial Settings. It may ask you for a PIN. This is usually 40 or 1234 by default. Confirm the reset and give the TV a few minutes to restart. Just keep in mind that this will erase all your settings and installed apps, so you'll need to set everything up again after it restarts. That's it for this video on how to fix vertical lines on your LG TV screen. I hope these steps helped you get your display back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got any questions, or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear what worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.